Okay, so here's the target we were shooting at, and you can see just about not a bad grouping within about 6 inches. A couple of them pretty close to center. That was at about 23 feet. A little styrofoam backing on it. You see it's penetrated all the way through that. And I wanted to show you the mini breaker balls that hit the glass peel back the rubber coating. Now that's what's going to happen with these when you hit a more solid target like glass or concrete or something else. You're going to damage the rubber coating on them. So it's more of a training round than anything else. Maybe a little animal control, shoo the dog out of the backyard. But as you can see, the core is still perfectly fine. Now here's some rounds that hit the plywood up there, and they're all perfectly fine and reusable. So I'd say these things are reusable on anything from paper to plywood for target practice. But anything harder or more solid is just going to damage the coating on the outside. Okay, well that's it for right now. We'll be back again.